Okay, I won't distract you guys. I'll go to my lonely.
What does this look like? I can't tell.
As
How do I?
okay. So I shall.
What the dog doing?
Oh.
I
don't know how to get in here.
I guess no.
I have to learn more.
Okay.
Oh yikes, that's not the color.
This.
Be the
Okay,
color either.
Be a little darker. Oh, there we go. Yes. Ah, there we go. Yes. Okay. Better to be in.
Maybe a bit darker.
I better play with
know.
white. Oh, maybe. Wait.
Sorry, what color was that?
No color. That's not fair. What a disadvantage.
I see.
How do you make these lights?
I'm
It's actually kind of
caught.
scary.
I didn't realize.
I don't know about this one.
Other lines.
Hazmat
I love
suits
how
look
We
like.
need the other lines.
I don't know about any of them.
It looks more like a.
It looks good. This ain't it.
Okay. Oh well.
It looks good. Matches well.
She should come back.
But she's in the
She's in
back
the
at least.
Yeah, she's in the back rooms. There's lots of friends in the back rooms.
Yeah.
Three friends.
There she go.
Well, now she won't be alone, I guess.
How did you find me? How did you find me? How did you find me?
Something about
How
your
did you
sword
find
looked
me?
really different.
No, I don't think so. I think it looked really similar,
no.
actually.
A few moments later.
Ooh,
Checking
repeat
the
that.
This is really important too. I know you don't do that. It's tricky. I hope you find me actually. I really hope
Oh yeah, you think it'll be fun,
Come on
eh?
now.
Oh yeah, is it that good?
And then, yes, it is that good. What do you mean by another one?
Callie
Okay, do some details. You
I will.
20 seconds to do some little
That I
details.
will.
Yeah, good luck. You'll never
Was it
find
really gonna be that hard?
You'll never find
You'll
me.
never ever find
They're
me.
doing something funny. They're doing funny stuff.
I need to listen.
Look at her go.
I like Maury's outfit.
Maybe it would have been better to be here.
It's a nice
What do you mean the detail?
The
Detail. No.
gray. She needs help, lady. She needs help.
Yeah, she looked right at me and turned
Just a little
around.
hug.
Oh, that's actually a good one. Gigi,
Like mine, I'm a fish.
Gigi looks great.
Well,
Wow.
thank you.